Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Today po, gawa po tayo ng sandwiches para po kina Kevin at Fortune at para na rin sa mga ibang madadaanan natin. Kasi po, I'm feeling blessed and I wanna share my blessings. Kaya naman sabi ko na I'm feeling blessed kasi po katatapos kong gawin ng isang napakalaking order, first time. And nagpapasalamat ako sa dalawang tao na nagbigay sa akin ng opportunity para makuha ang order na to at para magawa ang order. Meron po isa na talagang as in first time po na pinagbigyan ako na supplyan sila ng mga suckling pigs. Yan, nakayanan ko naman po. And may isa pang tao na nag-alok na pwede kong gamitin ng kanilang freezer at pinagamit din yung kanilang van. Ayan, so talagang I'm feeling blessed po sa dalawang taon to. Maraming salamat po mga sirs. Dahil po sa inyo, nagawa ko yung order and nakumpleto ko. I'm really happy and I wanna share this one. So, gawa na po tayo and then we will give to Kevin, Fortune, and some other guys on the road. So there you go guys, ayan, ganito natin ipamimigay, ayan, so may sandwich na sila, at least makakapawi na to ng gutom. Samahan nyo po ako guys, ito lang, at makabigyan man tayo ng pagkain kahit konti lang. Ayan, let's go!
Yeah.
Egg sandwich.
Thanks.
One also? Thank you. Hello.
Thank you.
All right. Give me one for Fortune. How are you? I didn't see you several days, eh?
I'm around.
Okay. Bye-bye. How many more?
Let's see.
Wish you many blessings. Thank you.
Alright. There you go guys. Ayan, nakapamigay na tayo at nakakatuwang makita po ang kasiyahan sa kanilang mukha. So, we bringing smile to their faces. Ayan. So, again po, sa dalawang taong tumulong po sa akin para it make it happen. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your assistance. Thank you for the opportunity. And God bless po. And thank you, Lord, sa lahat po ng blessing po. It's all in God's will po na nangyayari ito. Kaya guys, God always makes a way and God never fails us. Yeah. So, there you go guys. Please like, share, and subscribe po. And see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye.